First, we're here for the aftermarket event. So Lata and her team have brought in our entire aftermarket product offering, mainly for aftermarket commercial truck and trailer. And then we cater to all the major brands that are represented on the roads today. Market sentiment is strong. We're going to see a spike. There's no doubt about that. Everybody's preparing for it. The OEMs are preparing for it. India is preparing for it. There's a lot of excitement. So the cost reduction is going to pass through and through. And the downside is these 10 days, whilst the transition happens, there's been a slowdown. So some complaints, some preparation, a lot of migratory work that has to happen in terms of understanding how the GST is going to fall through. Once that settles, I believe that there's going to be a big jump. So I think from the auto side of it, everybody's preparing as well. Sentiment, so to speak, consistent like Motor India. You've always been there. Thank you for that. And congratulations, 69 years is a big milestone for you. So, you know, our support to you will continue. But coming back to our industry, we're seeing consistency in the industry. We're seeing a continuous growth. We're seeing the demand. We're seeing that market sentiment across states, particularly with this governance in place, is extraordinary. So we're seeing a strong year in the coming years. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. Your customization is happening at the smaller segment, the disorganized segment. The organized segment continues to rationalize product. And that's important. And that's important for India. Rationalizing design, rationalizing standards, meeting a consistent standard so that you have interchangeability. That's what all the, let's say, serious manufacturers are focusing on. That's where our focus is, to make sure that the product that we're offering to the market is consistent. The quality is one. We don't have variable qualities. There is a huge segment of disorganized, or let's say unorganized segment. Your roadside repair shops, your roadside mechanics, your roadside manufacturers. We believe those are going to slowly die away. As our speeds go up, as the road qualities improve, as regulation comes into play, as the trailer becomes more and more recognized as part and parcel of the prime mover, that regulation is going to drive the regularization, the harmonization that we're looking at. So,
more of standardized product?
More of standardized product. That's where we come in. A standardized product, higher quality, more consistency, better replacement cycles. So our focus is more on the fleets. Our focus is on the fleets that want to keep their trucks on the road, their vehicles up and running, and not have to worry about downtime. We do, but those are small customizations, nominal customizations, which pretty much are coming off the shelf, wherein the variations and the changes are part of the catalogued offering from the more organized trailer builders. So I wouldn't really call that a customization. I would call that vocational application. The vocational application is now becoming a known concept in India. I've got 200 trailers that are doing coal production or managing the coal mines. I need a different suspension. I have 400 trucks that are doing on-road transportation, different requirements for on-road. I have, let's say, 500 trucks that are doing mining application, crusher application or stonework application, different applications. So you get manufacturers of a particular quality and creed that will give you all of these options from within their portfolio. So we're a pan-India operation. We're supporting distributors across India. And our support is primarily to work with the mechanics to fleets, retailers, making sure the availability of parts. There is a dearth of high quality parts. There is a massive availability of medium and low quality parts. We work in the premium segment, and that's where we're focusing. Covering about 11,000 pin codes at the moment. We've got coverage across 120 distributors, and we're growing it. And there is enough room for a lot of growth in India. Numbers are growing, our road build is going up, our manufacturing numbers are going up, infrastructure projects are coming a dime a dozen. Now the Northeast corridor is opening up. So we're seeing tremendous demand. And this is going to be the growth story for India for the next decade for sure. We match capacity. We make sure that we're investing ahead of time. So we will not allow our plants to go beyond 65-70% before the next tranche of investments come in. So we're constantly growing as an organization. We've been fortunate to have a 30% growth year on year, and we're going to see that performance once again. For this aftermarket division, we've got one distribution center open now in Maharashtra. Nagpur is opening shortly. West Bengal is coming up. Kolkata is coming up. So we'll open our distribution centers as the volume continues to rise.